How to check if any value is NaN in a Pandas DataFrame. In Python Pandas, what's the best way to check whether a dataframe has one or more NaN values? I know about the function pd.isNaN, but this returns a dataframe of booleans for each element. This post right here doesn't exactly answer my question either.
Dwillner's response is spot on. I was exploring to see if there's a faster option, since in my experience, summing flat arrays is, strangely, faster than counting. This code seems faster. df.isNaN.sum is a bit slower, but of course, has additional information, the number of NaNs.
You have a couple of options. Now the data frame looks something like this. Option 1, df.isNull.any. This returns a Boolean value. You know of the isNull, which would return a data frame like this. If you make it df.isNull.any, you can find just the columns that have NaN values. One more .any will tell you if any of the above are true. Option 2, df.isNull.sum. This returns an integer of the total number of NaN values. This operates the same way as the .any does, by first giving a summation of the number of NaN values in a column, then the summation of those values. Finally, to get the total number of NaN values in the data frame.
To find out which rows have NaNs in a specific column.
If you need to know how many rows there are with one or more NaNs, or if you need to pull out these rows and examine them.
df.isNull.any should do it.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.